a fun activity. And it involves Play-Doh.
Yay!
Okay, we are going to create little pizzas using the Play-Doh. Each station has their own index card with a fraction on it. And it's going to be your job to look at the fraction and remember what the book we created and to create your own pizzas. You're just going to make a pizza like this. Mine's not very good, but you're using your plates and your knives. And then you're going to draw out the fraction on your pizza. And once I look at everybody's and make sure everybody's is good, then we will move on to where I will give you a sheet of paper and you'll actually draw what the Play-Doh looks like on that sheet of paper. So let's do it right now. If you need help, just raise your hand and I will be walking around to check on you guys. So you don't have to use all the Play-Doh, but the bigger the better. Miss Katie and George have told me that they needed a little help, so I'm going to help them with this. You're going to take the Play-Doh and you're going to smush it on a piece of paper or a plate, which I provided, until you make a pizza. Then you're going to take their fraction, and theirs is 1/1. So they kind of got it easy. But for 1/1, you remember 1/1 means one whole. So all they have to do is just make one whole pizza. But if yours is 1/2 or 1/3 or 1/4, you will actually use the plastic knives and cut out what we had drawn. Or you can do it like that. That works. I'm going to walk around and check all your work to see if you guys did your fractions correctly. Are you all understanding? Remember, you have 1/4. Good job. And 1/2. Good job. And then George and Katie over here, they needed help, but that was okay. Everybody needs help once in a while. And Elmo, good job over here. He did the peace sign. He's your friend, so he knows what the peace sign looks like. Yes. Okay, now I noticed it. Good job. Okay, we're going to be moving on to the second part of this activity. And it is where we actually are going to draw it out. So if you can use your plates to take your crayons, remember the crayons you had in your desk? Okay, so now that I want you to create your fraction on your plate. Good job, good job. You guys drew out your plates. Okay, now I'm going to collect those plates so that I can check and see if you guys understood. Because tomorrow's lesson we are going to be adding more pages to the fraction book. So pretty soon it's going to be really big and you're going to be so smart with fractions. Yay! That you are, because as you get older and up in higher grade levels, fractions are going to be very, very important. You're going to be doing a lot with them, so you got to learn this part first, okay?
Okay.
Does anybody have any questions?
No.
Who's ready for recess?
Me!
Okay, let's go.